everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Victoria and thank you so much for stopping by today. I'll be showing you how to make my number one favorite refreshing drink, Nigerian Chapman. This drink is sweet, fruity, colorful, and perfect for birthday, family gatherings, church events, picnics, wedding, anniversary, and is simply relaxing at home. If you enjoy easy recipe like this, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Here are the ingredients that I'll be using today. I have Sprite. It gives the drink a refreshing lemon flavor. Next is Fanta. The orange flavor adds sweetness and beautiful color. I also have cold water. I have ice cube. I have syrup, 4 different syrup. I also have Coca-Cola, cherry Coca-Cola. Water helps to reduce the sweetness and make the drinks go a little further, especially when you're serving crowd. The Grenadine syrup gives the Chapman a signature red color. Agonitas bitters. This is optional because it also gives the drink a classic Chapman flavor. I have fresh cucumbers, fresh lemon, fresh orange, and also ginger. Ice cube and water. Ginger, I use a little bit of ginger, and for the lemon, I use up to 6 lemon. When I noticed that the lemon that I cut is not enough, so I added more lemon. Then I make my cucumber to be do that long. You can see in the video, I make it 2 long cucumber and also 2 oranges. Wash my cucumber thoroughly, the oranges, and I slice it into a round piece. This slice of my cucumber, orange, and lemon give a flavor to the drink and make it more attractive. Next, I'll be getting my drink dispenser ready. I also wash it, rinse it up, and wipe it with a clean cloth. It's time to make the drink. Right? There's no way you can make yours any way. You can add the ice first or the water first, but just do it anyhow you think it's comfortable for you and it's easy for you. So I added my Sprite, I added my the Coke, I added my Fanta, I added all the drinks. Then I added the syrup, as you can see in the video. I used my half cup of syrup. Then I added all my 4 syrup into it, as you can see in the video. Can you see how those color and the drink are coming together? The mixing is already colorful. I'll be adding my water to balance the sweetness. I use 4 bottles of water, but you can adjust the amount of water that you use depending on how sweet you want your Chapman to be. Adding my water, lemon, and oranges. Added my cucumber, and finally I added my ginger and also get a long spoon. I gently stir everything together so all the flavors can combine perfectly. You can already see how refreshing this looks. Chapman is so refreshing. The Sprite and the Fanta blend perfectly with the Grenadine syrup, while the cucumber give it a fresh taste. The bitter bring everything together, and also the little spicy from garlic. This Chapman is so refreshing and it is authentic Nigerian Chapman. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comment section how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more easy recipe lifestyle videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye and God bless you.